Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Noah, your favorite Sarasota realtor. Today we are checking out the Esplanade series here at Skye Ranch. It's made by Taylor Morrison. Today we're going to be checking out the Lazio model. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. If you guys have any questions about this model or the Esplanade lifestyle series here in Sarasota, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to connect with you and chat a little bit more about it. But till next time, I hope to see you guys all on the next video.